Good morning, traders. This is Curious Combo. Welcome to the channel. And if you're new to the channel, this is my daily analysis on trading the DAX using my double stochastic strategy with fast and slow moving stochastic oscillators overlaid on top of each other. You can have a look at them on the bottom of the screen. You grab your favorite hot drink, I've got mine, and let's see what's going on in the macroeconomic. The news today that might send some sentiment on the markets. 10 o'clock New York in the morning. Consumer sentiment, the preliminary will be published. So nothing major today on Friday, March 14th. Next week's events are a whole new category, but we trade intraday and we do not leave overnight positions or let alone over weekends. So let's have a look at the market key economic events again on Monday. But to look at what's going on in the markets, the S&P 500 futures are bouncing after benchmark closes in correction territory. That's going on with S&P 500 and Nasdaq as well. If we look at our 1 hour chart here on the DAX, we can see that the correction seems to be happening on the DAX. We're now on the level of 22,673 basis points from yesterday's 22,510. So there's a bit of a correction. The hours are early, even pre-market now, so no market action, and the oscillators are creeping up on the hourly chart. We do not trade on our hourly chart, but this just gives us the overall direction on the markets. So next few hours before the market open, we might see something like this behavior, but our key actions and indicators are on the 15 and 5 minutes for intraday trading. Seems that the slow stochastic is exhausting soon on the overbought levels. The fast one is already grouped on the upside, pointing downwards. So the typical move here is that the slow one flatlines and keeps moving sideways, where maybe the fast one creeps down and then shots up, bringing the markets to a higher level. The range, if we draw it here, would be this 22,837, and the bottom of the range, for your information, is 22,418. So this might be our macroeconomic levels for today. If it breaks above this 22,829, be on a lookout. The next resistance will be found at 23,207. So there's quite a bit of a room for move upwards if we break this resistance. However, if it fails and it comes down to retest again, the bottom of the range is 22,417, but this is where it will be hovering most likely again, because the range has been valid since Monday, March 10th. But as we know, anything can happen. The ceasefire negotiations are ongoing with Russia, US, and Ukraine, and Trump tariff talks are ongoing. Chinese stocks are up 2.4% overnight, leading gains in Asia. So there is a positive note for this intraday here on DAX as well. And we got a strong upward momentum looking like this on the 5 minute level. So macroeconomic sentiment is led by the international community and the ceasefire negotiations in Ukraine. Leave your winners running and cut your losses early. This is Friday, March 14th on the DAX, and I wish you a happy weekend, and I see you on Monday.